Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at some of our favorite pieces from RMJ Tactical, available at KnifeCenter.com. In high-energy, high-stress situations where every second counts, RMJ Tactical makes the tools you'll want to have by your side. Rian Johnson's original knives and tomahawks are designed for maximum performance, even in the most extreme conditions. RMJ's philosophy boils down to this: the situation you find yourself in will determine what your blade is used for. Whether cutting, bashing, or prying, failure is not an option. These American craftsmen take pride in their work, and you're about to see why. First up, we have the RMJ Tactical Kukri, inspired by the blades wielded to devastating effect by the Gurka warriors. In their hands, these blades earned a fearsome reputation on the battlefield. But it's not just a weapon, the Kukri is also a versatile survival tool. The forward-angled blade allows for the edge to slice while it chops, causing tremendous damage in the process. RMJ builds their version using very tough 80 CRV carbon steel with their signature milling pattern and a fuller to increase lateral strength. The G10 grips come in a variety of colors, but we're especially fond of this black and orange version, which you can only find at the KnifeCenter. Similarly, inspired by the past but entirely modern is the Berserker Tomahawk. This all-steel integral design harkens back to the axes used by the Viking horde in the 9th century. Incorporating feedback from Special Ops soldiers, this hawk is updated for modern combat with 4140 chrome moly carbon steel with a Cerakote finish and G10 handles. Offering a strong balance of strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance, this weapon can perform its tasks without failure and with deadly efficiency. If space is at a premium and you prefer something more EDC friendly, RMJ has you covered. The Utsidisi is a low-profile, lightweight blade designed for deep concealed carry. This knife is available as a standard production blade or as a hand-forged custom by Rian Johnson himself with paracord wraps and custom beads. With a spear point blade and Nitro V stainless steel, the Utsidisi is an excellent everyday user that will cover all the bases on or off duty. When you want a little more tactical in your everyday utility knife, look no further than the Peregrine. It's fast, light, and perfectly sized. The 4 1/4 inch CPM 3V blade wears a black finish and features compound grinds for varied applications. The recurve section discourages the blade from slipping, ideal for cutting rope, branches, or anything held by hand. Meanwhile, the Tanto tip allows for flat cuts against a hard surface, and the blade tip's alignment to the handle allows for efficient transfer of energy for piercing. Offered with a cross-draw Kydex sheath, the Peregrine can be made ready at a moment's notice. If you love these fantastic RMJ Tactical designs as much as we do at KnifeCenter, click the link in the description below to get your hands on one. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.